Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fixing ChatGPT's slow responses. So let's get started. First, log out of your ChatGPT from your profile in the bottom left corner as you can see the logout option. Then back login and test it. If it is still slow, clear your browser cache. Click on the three dots and then in the top right side, you will see there are drop-down menu. Click on settings and in the search bar, search here for catch. Once you click it, you will see there are several options. Choose browsing data history or cookies and other site data. You just have to toggle it. And then once you are in, click on the delete data and then return to chatgpt.com. Log in and that's it. ChatGPT should now be running faster. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.